Hello everyone. Welcome to a truly exclusive adventure on the Global Explorers YouTube channel. Today, we're delving into the world of budget travel and how to secure that elusive upgrade to first class. Today, we have got a few travel hacks up my sleeve to help you soar in style. Let's dive into how to get an upgrade to first class with these budget travel hacks. Our first budget travel hack revolves around timing. Did you know that you're more likely to get an upgrade when flights are overbooked? Arrive early at the gate and politely inquire if they need volunteers to give up their seats. This could be your ticket to a more luxurious journey. Frequent flyer miles. Another tried and true method is cashing in your frequent flyer miles or credit card reward points. Many airlines offer upgrades in exchange for points, and you might find yourself in first class sooner than you think. Dress to impress. Here's a simple but effective tip. Dress smartly when you check in and at the gate. A polished appearance can sometimes catch the eye of airline staff, making you a prime candidate for an upgrade. Off-peak travel. Consider traveling during off-peak times or midweek when flights tend to be less crowded. You're more likely to stand out when the plane isn't filled to the brim. Book directly with the airline. Whenever possible, book your flights directly with the airline. Airlines often prioritize their loyal customers, so booking through them can increase your chances. Friendly politeness. And perhaps the most important tip of all, be kind and polite when asking for an upgrade. A smile and good manners can work wonders when it comes to negotiating a better seat. And there you have it. Budget travelers, a handful of tips to help you level up your travel game. Remember, getting an upgrade to first class might not always be guaranteed, but these hacks can certainly increase your chances. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel insights, and share your travel upgrade success stories in the comments section below. Safe travels, and see you on the next adventure.